Hi, I'm Ryan McNeely with Hendricks Regional Health Physical Therapy, and here's today's running tip. Ask any runner who's put any kind of mileage in, and they'll tell you the most important piece of equipment in their running repertoire is a proper pair of shoes. Our feet hit the ground 2,000 to 3,000 times for every mile that we run, and that's transmitting 5 to 6 times our body weight with every step. Because of this, a proper pair of shoes fit to our foot type is vastly important. There's 3 common types of feet that we have. A higher arch, where the foot is very stiff and a very high arch in the middle. A normal arch where the arch is present but the foot's still very pliable. And then a low arch where all the foot comes in contact with the ground. Because of these different feet type, it's important for the shoe to promote a normal motion of the foot as well as to disperse some of the force that's coming when we run. There's 3 types of shoes then that usually go in coordination with these different feet type. There's what's called a cushion or neutral shoe. The cushion is very similar all the way around, nice and thick, shock absorbs very well, but it's still very flexible. Then there's a stability shoe on the other side. This is typically for somebody who has a lower arch. Still lots of cushion, but has gray foam on the inside and a little bit stiffer, allowing you to hold your foot up a little bit more when you run. Some people who've been running for a long time prefer what's called a minimalist shoe. It's going to have less cushion and it's going to be a lot more flexible. You can almost fold it up and put it in your pocket. No matter your foot type or the type of shoe you need, it's important to see a professional to figure out which one's right for you. Shoes have lots of different variations and so do our feet, and a trained professional is very important to make sure you get the right fit and the right shoe for you. No matter what shoe you get, remember these simple tips though. Running shoes are only good for 300 to 500 miles per pair. After that, you should not be running any kind of distance in them anymore. If you do use orthotics, make sure you take them with you when you go buy a new pair of shoes. That way you'll be able to fit them in the shoe and make sure they fit for that type. And lastly, if you've tried a different pair of shoes and bought them and you're having some pain, take them back. Go back and see a professional because it's not something that should happen. And running in the wrong type of shoe can give you lots of pain come race day.